What's the meaning of box seat? Box seat. Box seat.
Box seat. Box seat. A box seat is a term that refers to a particular type of seating arrangement at a venue or event. Specifically, a box seat is a premium seating option that typically consists of a small, private enclosure or section that overlooks the main area where the event is taking place. Box seats are usually positioned close to the stage or field and are often sold at a higher price point than standard seating options. They offer a more exclusive and luxurious experience for attendees and may come with additional amenities such as food and beverage service.